Today for Mousetrap Monday, we're going to test out a mousetrap that fits on a 5-gallon bucket called the Pivoting Platform Mousetrap. I enjoy doing searches on the US Patent Office website to find new mousetrap designs, and I came across this one. It was first patented on May 5th, 1987, and as far as I can tell, it never actually went to market. Makes me wonder if it works. Because it wasn't for sale, I had to recreate it from the patent drawings. In the shop, I made 2 metal clips. They're attached to swivels right here. And in the middle is a piece of plastic, and it's slightly bent in the center. So let's go get our bucket and show you how this works. The clips on the end of the trap fit right on the edge of the bucket. The patent drawings tell exactly how this trap works. It says a mousetrap is made of a pivoting platform, suspended over a pitfall or bucket. The platform is balanced in a manner that it normally assumes a horizontal position, thus giving the mouse the appearance of a stable bridge over the pitfall. When the mouse steps out on the platform for the purpose of obtaining bait placed thereon, however, the platform spins and dumps the mouse in the pitfall, thereby trapping it. In theory, it seems like it's going to work. The mouse will come along, want the bait, step on the edge, get dunked. The trap resets, the mouse is down in the bucket. But from what I've seen, mice have really good balance. I call them mouse ninja warriors. This might just be a fun obstacle for them. Because this mousetrap was never sold, I'm not sure if it actually works. But we're going to test it out, first with our pet mice, then we're going to go set it up in the barn with motion cameras and see if we can get wild mice. We'll start with Chili, my chinchilla mouse. He can feel it move, he's a little cautious. He wants to hang on the edge of the bucket. Come on, Chili, go across. I'm going to take the ramp away. Go this way. Now Chili's really big and he might not have the best balance. I'm gonna go get a new mouse I keep with Chili. It's a golden female. Here's our golden mouse. Well, this trap works well with our pet mice. They're both fat and they went right in. But I'm curious how it works with the agile wild mice. They have way better balance. And they're really cautious to step out on anything that moves. We'll put our pet mice back in the cage, then go test it out with wild mice. After seeing how well this trap worked with our pet mice, I was hopeful we'd have a bucket full of wild mice floating in the water, but that wasn't the case. We didn't catch a single mouse. The wild mice are much smaller, have very good balance, and are cautious to go on something that's unstable. Maybe the viewers can think of a way to improve it. If you have any ideas, leave a comment down below. With the mousetrap being the most patented invention in history, over 4,000 patents, I'm never going to run out of material. Some of the ideas patented were really good, and some didn't work, like this one. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, please consider clicking the button right here. Currently I'm posting videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. So if you want to see how to catch or not catch mice, rats, squirrels, chipmunks, moles, voles, and gophers, stay tuned.